gentlemen, welcome back. I'm BitcoinFox and I'm here to give you the latest update on ADAX and the rest of the crypto market. Stick with me. Now before we start, here's my disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. It's not always strippers, burritos, and AK-47s, my friends. You have to do your own due diligence and research what's best for you investing. This video is only for entertainment purposes and educational purposes only. Another thing I'd like to address is all this FUD on Reddit about ADAX, and I couldn't believe some of the things I was reading. Reddit is actually going after the individuals posting this stuff because ADAX can file legal suit against people who commit libel, wrongful and harmful allegations that their project is a fraud and so on. And so many ecosystems on the Cardano ecosystem are going through the same thing, including on SundaeSwap. SundaeSwap is loaded with FUD as well. There's FUD against Ethereum, FUD against Polkadot, FUD against Elrond, you name it. FUDsters will do anything to drive the price down to be a more purchasable price. Sometimes it's manipulation by whales. Once you have billions of dollars or millions of dollars to influence media and determine which way you want the price action to go for something so you can buy at a cheaper price, that will happen. It has happened to Amazon, it has happened to BMW, VW, so many stocks out there. Even Apple, there's always going to be FUD, ladies and gentlemen. So just be careful what you read, write, or hear. Make sure it's truth and nothing more than the truth. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what is happening? How is everyone doing today? This is ADAX on the hourly. We can see that it's still having its correction. We're still not able to break out of this resistance trend line. We're still holding the 382, which is a really good sign. And not only that, we have the EMA cross right here, which is a potential sign that we could be having a reversal for ADAX in the near future. And the reason I share this with you is because anytime we have an EMA cross, they're really good indicators. You can add them onto your X markets charts, you can add them on TradingView, any chart literally. But basically, you can see it lets you give kind of a warning of when the lanes are changing, if we're going up or down. And you can see the trend lines, you see the EMAs and so on. And after we had the EMA cross right here, we flipped completely bullish and started skyrocketing towards new highs. And then we flipped again at this EMA cross, came back down, flipped bullish again on the EMA. And as long as we were riding that EMA all the way to the top, it didn't change anything. It was still bullish. However, then we flipped bearish on the EMA here, and it kept trending down. The question is, where are we going now, ladies and gentlemen? Look at that. On the hourly, the EMA is looking really healthy. And the reason I say that is because we have bounced on the 382 for a little while now, and that is looking like a steady support area. A lot of you guys, congratulations who bought the dip. I remember last video I was saying, hey, if you want, you can set a couple of buy orders down here at around 50 to 70 cents. And lo and behold, because ADAX was in free fall, because people were panic selling, because they were listening to FUD on Reddit, things that were totally false and wrongful allegations, they sold out on this, and the hands changed for so many of us. Congratulations to whoever bought this dip. Now, I'd like to see another thing, and that is Bitcoin do a trend reversal as well. You can see Bitcoin had a massive crash. It crashed all the way, almost $10,000, literally. And to be honest, I've never seen it fall that much in my entire life while I've been in crypto. I've been in crypto for a long time. I used to mine Bitcoin on my mom's PC back in 2010. When Bitcoin was barely worth anything and you could buy pizza with it. I bought a bike with some of my Bitcoin back then, and I had over 2,000 Bitcoin a long time ago, and unfortunately I do not have that kind of Bitcoin stash anymore. It's probably on some hard drive in the middle of the desert in Nevada in some old lady's garage in a yard sale, but whoever finds it, I give you full permission to use that, but I don't even remember any of my keys or phrases or any of that, so good luck trying to obtain it. But there is some news supposedly about software developers, really good ones, who have found ways to retrieve Bitcoin from old PCs. So if you have an old PC loaded with Bitcoin, you might want to seek professional help. they might actually be able to help you recover your original Bitcoin, which would be wonderful for a lot of us. But I don't even know where my old hard drive and so on is. So whoever finds it, I wish you all the best and good luck with that $174 something million. That's nuts. That's crazy to see Bitcoin go that high. But we've also seen our down days where Bitcoin has literally went all the way from 20K all the way down to 3K. That happens too. This is the wild world of crypto that we live in. Anyways, let's go back into ADAX. Let's see the market cap right here. We have around a $61 million market cap, which is really low. We're really early. We're still good. A lot of us have also been asking the question, when will the ADAX exchange be coming to life? And that is around 6 to 8 weeks after Plutus goes fully operational on the Cardano ecosystem. ADAX is also currently in major talks with big exchanges as well as medium exchanges because they want the ADAX token on their exchange themselves. This is really big news, but it will take time. And the reason it will take time is because a lot of these exchanges do not support Cardano native tokens. And this is the thing they are working right now on, so they can get the ADAX token onto their exchanges, as well as SundaeSwap and other tokens on the Cardano ecosystem. Another thing I'd like to address is that ADAX has chosen X markets to do their token instead, because originally they thought about going through Binance and Ethereum, and this would make things very complicated because they then would have to convert their own intended token for the Cardano ecosystem back from an ERC20 and so on. This made a little sense, and the only exchange that they could think of at the time that would help them with this is X Markets, and X Markets had the ability to host native Cardano assets, and this solved the issue. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been an absolute pleasure hosting this video for you guys. If you can hit the like and subscribe button, feel free to share it with whoever you want to, as well as leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I am here through all the ups and downs of crypto, the high points, the low points, and even crashes. I've experienced many myself, and I know the feeling. Have a wonderful evening and a wonderful morning or afternoon wherever you are.
Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running.